In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple yet really cool zoom transition in Premiere Pro. It's easy to make, looks amazing, and can instantly make your video feel more dynamic and engaging. Let's jump right in. First, drag both of your clips onto the timeline. Since we're creating a transition, we'll need two different clips to work with. I'm also trimming one of the clips because I don't need it to be this long. Feel free to adjust the length of your clips depending on your edit. Next, create an adjustment layer by clicking the new item icon next to trash icon. We will apply our transition effects to the adjustment layer so the transition affects both clips at the same time. Now drag the adjustment layer onto your timeline and place it directly above the cut between your two clips. Now position the playhead over the cut between our two clips and select the adjustment layer. Then go to the effects panel, search for transform and apply it to the adjustment layer. We will use this effect to create the zoom transition. Now go to the Effect Controls panel and find the Transform effect. Disable Use Composition's Shutter Angle. Set the shutter angle to 360 to add a smooth motion blur to the transition. With the playhead positioned directly over the cut between the two clips, click the toggle animation icon next to scale to create a keyframe. Then set the value to 200 or 300. This will be the center point of our zoom transition. Next, move the playhead 5 frames to the left by clicking the Step Back 1 frame button 5 times. Now reset the scale value back to 100. This creates the starting point of our zoom transition. Move the playhead to the first keyframe we created. Holding Shift while dragging the playhead will snap it directly to the keyframe, making it easier to work accurately. Next, move the playhead 5 frames to the right of the cut and set the scale value to 100 again. To smooth out the animation, right-click the first keyframe and select Ease Out. Then for the last keyframe, select Ease In. This adds gradual acceleration and deceleration, giving the transition a much smoother feel. Next, expand the scale graph to reveal the keyframe handles. We'll use these handles to adjust the animation's speed. Make sure your keyframe is selected. Drag the first handle all the way to the right and the second handle all the way to the left. As you do this, make sure you drag them horizontally. And there you have it, a simple but professional zoom transition that's easy to create and even easier to reuse. Just copy and paste the adjustment layer anywhere in your project and you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts or question in the comments, and subscribe for more Premiere tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.